Hey, what's up? How you doing, man? How you doing, man? It's been a long time, so, we got a question here. I don't want to waste no time today, before we get started. If you're new to my channel, just go down under here, click the subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? You can click the link below, watch all my music, but, please don't watch my music before we get started, because you're going to get addicted to it. So, man, let me start to check a new track and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Let's start face with mathematics, and then when we get done, you can go to my music. Now, we have a question right here, you know what I'm saying? Let's say question 1. This is a video request from a lot of South African students, okay? Especially a student from University of South Africa doing bridge codes. It's called QMI. And some of the grade 8, grade 9 students, so because they do the common thing. So now, let's get started. So they say, which of the following expression are equal? Okay, which of the following expression are equal? So what we're gonna do, you can't just say first expression, second and third. No, you're gonna have to work it out. Okay, this is mathematics. So for you to get an answer, you hear what I'm saying? You're gonna have to work out and find the optimum solution. So let's start with first one. First and foremost, whenever you got mix of a lot of sign, you see here you have a bracket, plus, minus, divide, bracket, divide, division, whatever you have. If you have a lot of numbers and a lot of sign, what you do, this is what you need to know, okay? It's called BODMAS. BODMAS. Okay, so what does that mean, BODMAS? BODMAS meaning always start with the bracket. So if you have a lot of sign, start with the bracket. This is a bracket, so you start with the bracket and then go for division, and then after you go to multiplication, then you go to addition and then subtraction. You're never gonna go wrong. Now let's see now how we're gonna apply it for the first question. So first question solution. Okay, so now BODMAS, do you have a bracket? Yes, means I'm gonna have to start in a bracket. So you have a 3 minus 6, and then this division, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay, so now you go, do we have a division? Yes, so you're gonna have to start with this. Okay, 6 divided by 3, you get 2. But here you have a minus and then 3. Now you go, do you have a multiplication? No, there's no multiplication. Okay, so nothing. So I'm gonna skip because there's no multiplication here, right here. You know what I'm saying? Now, do you have addition? No, there's no addition. Do you have a subtraction? Yes, we have. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Oh, 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Okay, now we go for the next one. So this equal to 1, the first expression equal to 1. So this first expression equal to 1. Now we go for the second expression. The second expression will do the same approach. Do you have a bracket? Hey, oh yes, we have. 6 minus 4 equal to, so this is number 2. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. 2, and then divide, 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. And then you go, do you have a division? Oh yes, I do have a division. But which number do I have to divide? These two numbers. Means 2 divided by 2, you get 1, and then we have a plus, because these I'm going to divide and they get plus 1. Oh, do you have a multiplication? No multiplication. Do you have addition? Oh yes, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Wow, so equal to 2. You know what I'm saying? Now we go for it. So the first expression equal to 1, the second equal to 2. Now we go for the third one. So for the third expression, do you have a bracket? Oh yes, we have a bracket. Now we go 6, so I have to start with that. 6 plus 8. Make sure you start from the left to the right, okay? Don't start other way around, because you're gonna be in trouble, okay? So now we go 6 plus 8 equal to 14. So this is the third equation. 14, and then divide by 7 minus 1. Now we go, do you have a division? Oh yeah, we have a division. 14 divided by 7. 14 divided by 7, you get 2. And then we still have a minus, and then minus 1. Now, do you have a multiplication? No multiplication. Do you have addition? No addition. Do you have subtraction? Yes, we do have a subtraction, man. What is that? 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Okay, so now what do we see? Oh, this equal to 1. Alright, so now we see option 1 and option 3, they have, because they say which of the following expression are equal. These and these are equal. So my answer is gonna be option, with the answer option 1 and 3. You know what I'm saying? So now I'll go for the question number 2. Simplify. This is very, so we can go the same approach. because we have a lot of multiplication, divide, whatever. So now I'm gonna erase this because I don't think we need that. We don't need it. Erase. So question 2. Okay, question 2 is very, very easy. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna do the same approach. Do you have a bracket? Yes, we do have a bracket. Where is that? This right here, man. You know what I'm saying? Maybe it's a bracket we have to start with. So now I'm gonna say here I have a 3, 1/2, and then we have a plus. So now let me work with the bracket. Okay, now. So in fraction, just in case if you don't know, if you have a let's say 3/2, exactly what we have, minus 4/5. Your intention is to make the denominator the same. So there's a 2 method I'm gonna show you. You know what I'm saying? There's a 2 method. The first method, make a denominator the same. Okay? The first method is to make a denominator the same. How are you gonna make a denominator the same? Okay, this is 5, this is 2, this is 5. How do I wanna make denominator the same? So I'm gonna multiply this. You see this number here? Multiply up and down. 5 and 5. And you see this 2 here? Multiply here up and down. 2 and times 2. So, now make sure you apply up and down. So 5 times 3, 15, over 5 times 2 equal to 10, and then minus 4 times 2 equal to 8, 5 times 2 equal to 10. Oh, wow. So they have the same denominator now? Oh, yeah. So what we're going to do, since they have the same denominator, I'm going to write only 1 because they're the same denominator. And I'll say 15 minus 8 equal to 7. Oh, so that's how you do? Oh, yeah, that's how you do, man. Now, let's take another method. I'm going to take the same question, you know what I'm saying? So it's 5, it's 3/2 minus 5/4/5. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this, multiply up, and take this, multiply to this number. Look, 5 times 3 equal to 15, and 2 times 4, remember you have minus, 2 times 4 equal to 8, and then multiply these 2. 2 times 5 equal to 10. Oh! So now 15 minus 8 equal to 7, and then over 10. Wow, so they all have the same answer. So see which is going to be easier for you, or which one you have it familiar with. But remember, this is only for plus and minus. This method only works when you add fraction or you minus fraction. But when you come to multiply or divide, there is going to be another approach, okay? Which I'm going to show you very soon. So now we're going to erase this. Okay, so 7/10. 7/10? Yeah, 7/10. 15 minus 8. 7/10. Okay, cool. So now we're going to say 3/1/2 plus all this stuff give us 7/10. And then we multiply by 10/3 divide by 4, 2/3. Okay, now we go. Bracket is done. Do you have another bracket? No. Division. Do you have a division? Now we go. Oh, I have a division. These 2 here, these one I have to divide. So now, do not divide fraction when it is in improper fraction. Like you see this one here, 4/3, 4, 2/3 is improper fraction. So you're gonna have to make, it's in mixed fraction, my apologies, you know what I'm saying? It's in mixed fraction, you see? So you're gonna have to change to improper. So how are you gonna change to improper? You multiply here, and then here you plus. 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus 2 equal to 14/3. Oh, so this stuff is 14/3. So I'm gonna say, let me take this because we say we have to divide, and this is what we have for division. So 10/3 divide. I'm not gonna write the mixed fraction. I'm gonna write 14/3 instead. 14/3. And the next step, if you have a division, you see this next term here. Make sure you flip it. So this equal to 10/3, and then I'm not gonna write divide. I'll multiply. Multiply by 3/14. Mean the bottom go up and up go bottom, but the next one, not the first one. You know what I'm saying? Switch it, and they say okay. So now, if you divide, you see you have 10 times 3, 3 times 4, 10/3, and look by 3 1 by 3 1. 3 divided by 3 equal to 1 because this is the top and this is the bottom. So you have a 10/14. But you can simplify the fraction because if you divide by 2, the number which you can divide for both is 2. Divided by 2 you get 5 here. Divided 14 by 2 you get 7 because 2 divided for both is a common for both. So 5/7. So all this expression is 5/7. Wow. So I'm going to remove this and then write 5/7. So now here is going to be 3.5 plus 7 over 10 multiply 5 over 7. So now we go. What is the next one? Division is done already. Do you have another division? No. Multiplication? Oh yeah, we do have. Okay, so now I'm gonna say, look, you have a 7 times 5, 10 times 7, but if these 7 and 7 are common, it's like if somebody say 2 over 2. So this and this can cancel. So since you have a multiplication, if you have a multiplication, please don't find the common denominator, okay? What you do, this is 7 and 7, so they're gonna cancel to each other because one is at the top, one is at the bottom. So by 7, 1, by 7, 1. So you have and by 5, 1, 5 divided by 5, 1, 10 divided by 5, you get 2. Okay, so I have a 1 times 1 equal to 1, 2 times 1 equal to 2. So this is going to be plus 1 times 1 is 1 over 2 times 1 equal to 2. And you have a 3.5. Oh, so 3.5 plus a half equal to 4. So 3.5 plus a half equal to 4. So now our option is going to be option 1. This is our answer. But for the people who got calculator, right, you can just take your calculator, your scientific calculator, and insert the value exactly what is given over there. And then you're going to get an answer which equals 4. So, look, you first time my channel, you know what I'm saying? Just click the subscribe button over there. Go and support your boy. You can follow me on Instagram because sometimes I don't put some of the contents here. I put straight on Instagram, okay? And that's how you can check out my music too, my man. You know what I'm saying? So click the like button, subscribe, you know, and send me the question, okay? Man, I'm scared of this guy. Maybe he's, you know what I'm saying? Send me a question, man. Send me a question. Don't follow me, okay? Send me more questions. You can reach me anytime. You can follow me also on Instagram. Go and like my page on Facebook. You can DM me, send direct message to me, okay? Thanks a lot for your time and thanks for your support. They call me Hamish, but a lot of people, they call me 25 Bacteria, or you can call me Hamish. You know, channel name is Mtwana Wabantu Academy. Thanks a lot, man. Peace and love, man. Peace and love. Peace.